A pleasant day, everyone. I am Jerry Lee Tunico from Riverside College, College of Pharmacy, and today I am going to present to you our topic, Quality Risk Management, in collaboration with my group, Erica Joanna Lanzar, Kimbel Magnabe, Real Esmaher, Cassandra Biraye, J.R. Licatanyag, and Edwin Angela Kernal. For our table of content, we have risk identification, risk analysis, risk evaluation, and risk treatment. And our chosen topic is bottle filling process, 100 tablets per bottle. Process input is man. For the risk identification, first we have the process input, which is the man. Potential failure or harm. Introducing contaminants into the product through improper hygiene practices such as not wearing gloves, mask, or other protective gear. Note, among all potential failure, harm that a man can cause, this is the most common and one of the greatest concern in the market and consumers. Now let's proceed to the risk analysis to be presented to you by Erica Joanna Lanzar.
The risk analysis. On this part of quality risk management, we will identify the effect of potential failure or harm, the severity, potential cause of the failure and harm, existing control, occurrence, risk level, detection control, and detectability. So first, the effect of potential failure or harm is the risk of product contamination, compromising safety and quality standards, potential product leakage, contamination, or loss of product integrity. So, for severity, we labeled it as 5 or catastrophic, which means very significant and having catastrophic impact on product quality. This table is the basis of our findings that we have come up for our severity. For the potential cause of failure or harm, inadequate cleaning procedures, improper storage or reusing of used PPEs such as gloves. And for the existing control, no strict hygiene protocols including hand washing and use of PPE. For the occurrence, we labeled it as 3 or possible, which means it may probably occur in some cases. For example, 30% to 50% chance. And for the risk level, we used a formula of severity multiplied by occurrence, and we have come up to an answer of 15, which is equivalent to medium risk or hazardous. This table is the basis of our findings that we have come up. For the detection control, supervisory visual inspection of hygiene practices. And for the detectability, we labeled it as 2 or high, which means detection using both manual and automated process that is supplemented by SOPs, data from pharmacopoeia but not necessarily requires testing or scientific quantitation. And this table is the basis of our findings of detectability of risk.
And now I'm going to proceed with the risk evaluation. Risk priority number under risk evaluation resulted to 30, which is under the category high. So how did we get 30? So we multiply the severity, occurrence, and detectability. So 3 times 5 times 2 is 30. And the table below shows the basis of our findings. Next, I am going to proceed with our risk treatment. So, presented here is our mitigation plan. First, we have the communication and collaboration. We need to promote awareness and understanding the risk and work together as a team. Second, hygiene protocols. We need to enforce strict hygiene practices, including mandatory use of gloves, masks, and protective clothing. Third, controlled environment. Maintain a clean room environment with controlled air quality and regular cleaning schedules. Fourth, training is also included to conduct regular training on contamination control and proper handling procedures. And lastly is monitoring. Implement environmental monitoring to detect and address contamination sources. That would be all for our presentation for today. Thank you so much for listening.